Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is network management. Let's start it. Network management refers to the processes and activities involved in managing and maintaining computer networks. Included first is network monitoring, real-time monitoring of network performance and activity. Second is network configuration of network devices and settings. Third is network troubleshooting, identifying and resolving network issues. Four is network security, implementing security measure to protect the network. Five is network optimizing network performance and efficiency. Six is network planning and designing network architecture. Seven is network maintenance, performing routing maintenance tasks. Network management involves using various tools and technologies such as first is an network management protocols, SNMP, CMIP, etc. Second is network management system, NMS. Third is network monitoring tools, Nagios, SolarWind, etc. Four is network configuration management tools. Five is secure network security tools, firewall, intrusion detection system. Effective network management to ensure first is network reliability and uptime. Second is network security and compliance. Third is network performance and efficiency. Four is quickly issue resolution and minimal downtime. Five is scalability and adaptability to changing network needs. Here are some more aspects for network management. First is network automation, automating network tasks and processes. Second is network orchestration, coordinating and managing network resources. Third is network virtualization, creating virtual network and resources. Four is software defined networks, SDN, managing network through software. Five is network function virtualization, NFV, virtualizing network function. Six is quality of service, QoS management, ensuring network performance and quality. Seven is network traffic management, managing and optimizing network traffic. Eight is network access control, NAC, controlling and managing network access. Nine is network segmentation, dividing network into secure segments. 10 is network for forensic analyzing network data for security and troubleshooting. 11 is network compliance, ensuring network compliance with the regulation and standard. 12 is network documentation maintenance, maintaining accurate network documentation. 12 is network training and support, providing training and support for network user. 14 is network disaster recovery, planning and implementing network disaster recovery. 15 is network continuously monitoring network security and performance. Let me know if you have specific question for need for third assistant. Also, I can provide information on the following topics. Network, first in network management solution and tools. Second is network management best practices. Third is network management challenges and limitation. Fourth is network management trends and for future logs. There are some more topics related to network management. First in network management for IoT devices. Second is network management for cloud computing. Third is network management for software defined in data center. Four is network management for virtualized network. Five is network management for 5G networks. Six is network management for edge computing. Seven is network management for artificial intelligence, AI and machine learning, ML. Eight is network management for cyber security and threat intelligence. Nine is network management for compliance and regulatory requirements. 10 is network management for digital transformation and modernization.